Hey guys, it's me Eusha from Eusha Pokemon, your host, coming back with a brand new video. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys and unboxing this Remax. What did it say here? RM-512 earphones. So first off, we're gonna check the specs of this earphone in their website, Remax Bangladesh. So let's go to the website. So here we are at the website of Remax Bangladesh. আর এই পেজটাতে ঢোকার পরপরই দেখতে পারতেছি যে Yup. So Remax RM-512 3.5mm wired music earphone, heavy bass, features HD microphone, material TPE, impedance 32. I don't know what that means. Frequency 20 to 20k hertz, cable length 1.2 meters, volume control system. And here we have some shots. We've got a beautiful red and black earphone of the RM-512. And then it also says that it has triple frequency equalization. Let you experience the rich details of music. Sorry, JK. Feel the original music. Fiber composite diaphragm. The low frequency is more dive and the bass is powerful. 8mm ND-FEB live feeling, N50 magnet, 95 dB plus 4 dB sensitivity. 3D surround bass, stereo surround sound to bring you immersive experience. Aluminium. Long wear is also comfortable. 1 button smart control, 3.5 compatible with most devices, 32 core oxygen free copper wire. And yup, that's it. Okay. So the initials of the box are like this. It also has a lot of Chinese writing and stuff. And whoa, that was a satisfying little click right there. Oh, that is tight. That is tight. Oh, yup. So there's the headphone. I got the one in blue and it's very smooth and looks very tacky. And I have used this headphone for about a week, and I have like repackaged the product to show it to you guys. And after using this product for about about 1 week, about 1 week's use, I can surely say that this headphone is really cool for the price. And I think I bought it for about $350 or 400 taka. And yup, the headphone port, or this seems a bit golden-ish. No? And also the headphones style is a bit cool. It's gonna go to your inner ear, not just the outer. And it also has some interchangeable ear tips, which are gonna be useful. And also in the box we have a certificate of authenticity of the Remax brand. Remax, my device, my life. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And if you live in Bangladesh, or you live in a country where Daraz deliver, I'm gonna give you the links to this product below. Or if you don't live in a country where Daraz is supported, you can just go to Amazon or eBay or whatever online shop you have in your country and just search up Remax RM-512. So thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell. So that's it. Peace. Happy YouTubing.